Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to this channel. So this is me Alia Waheen, and in this section we are going to study about the importance of fungi. So we have studied in the previous lecture about the classification of fungi. We have studied that there are four groups in which we divided the fungi. First is Zycomycota, Ascomycota, Deuteromycota, and Basidiomycota. Now in this lecture we are going to study why fungi are important and what are the benefits of them. So first of all, we are going to see their ecological importance. Their what ecological importance, that why fungi are important for their for our environment. So the first thing that they are important, that because of they are acting as the decomposers. So as you know that fungi can also act as decomposers as the saprotrophic. Saprotrophic. So saprotrophic fungi, they decompose the dead organic matter. So therefore they are helping in decomposing that material. They are responsible for the recycling of materials. So they are helping in the recycling. Third thing is that they are acting as a bioindicator. So they are checking the quality of our air. So bioindicator, okay. So they are checking the quality of pollution in our air and checking the quality of air which we have. Fourth thing is that they are helping in removing the environmental pollution. So they are removing environmental pollution. Okay. Now the fifth thing is that they are also helping or improving, or you can say encouraging. They are encouraging plant growth. How they are encouraging plant growth, that they form symbiotic relationship with the root of that plants. They provide them nutrients and also take food, prepared food from them. So therefore in that way they encourage the growth of the plant. So there are five different methods by which they are ecological importance for us. Now next we have some commercial importance of fungi. Next is commercial importance. So commercial importance, we have that they are used in the food industry. Like most of the fungi are used as eating material, as eatables. Okay, so various species, about 200 species are eatable. So they are used in food industry. Okay, then the next is that they are helping in the production of abiotics. Okay, so they are preparing the penicillin and different kind of antibiotics. And the first example of antibiotics is the Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum. So this is the fungi which help in the production of penicillin drug, which is an antibiotic drug. Okay. Then the third benefit of it is that they are used in genetic research. They are used in what? Genetic. So they are used in genetic research, like yeast. Okay. And next thing is that they are, yes. These are our benefits from the fungi. We have see about their ecological importance, that they are decomposers. They are decomposing dead matter. They are used in the recycling of our environmental materials, like they are involved in the recycling of various minerals and various nutrients which are present in our soil. They also act as a bioindicator because they are checking the purity level of our air, like that various kind of pollutants are added into the air every day. So they are indicating the harmful level of pollutants in our air, and also help in the removal of these environmental pollutants which are present in our airs, and also help in encouragement of the plant growth. And you know very well, more the plant grow, more the fresh environment we get. Next thing is that they have commercial importance, that they are used in the food industry as the eatables, like various types of mushrooms are eatable, and they are and they are about 200 species which are eatable. Next is they are helping in production of antibiotics, like Penicillium notatum. It's a fungi which is used in the production of penicillin, which is a drug which is antibiotic. Next, they are used in genetic research, like yeast is the first organism which was used in the genetic research or genetic engineering. So, this was all about the benefits or the importance of the fungi. Now, we are going to discuss about the economical loss due to the fungi. So, some disadvantages of fungi would be discussed here. We will discuss that fungi is responsible for causing diseases in various species of plants and various animals. So we will discuss that how fungi is responsible for it. So now we are going to discuss about the disadvantages of fungi. So what is first, it is causing the plant diseases, and second is causing diseases in the animals. So in the plant diseases, the first thing is that why they are causing these diseases, because they are responsible. They have enzyme in order to which are going to break uh, down the cellulose which is present inside the plant, and cutin. So these are so actually the fungi is breaking these compounds which is present in our plant, and break down them and causing disease in them. And there are many examples, like red root of now I am writing the diseases which are caused by it. So first disease is the red red root of sugarcane. So it is causing diseases in the sugarcane. It is causing disease of potato wilt in potato, and apple scrap, the brown root of apricot and plums. So these are some diseases which are caused inside the plants. Now we discuss about the diseases which are occur inside the animals. So the first disease is caused by a yeast, and this yeast is Candidia albicans. So this is a yeast, and what it is responsible for. Actually, it is causing infection inside the oral cavity and vagina. ठीक है. Now the next infection which is caused by histoplasmosis. So this disease cause the infection inside the lungs. So why it is happening? Due to inhalation of spores, that you inhale the spores of fungi, that particular fungi, and it cause infection inside your lungs. Okay, so the now the next disease is caused by next disease name is aspergillosis. Aspergillosis. So as this name indicates, it is caused by aspergillus fungi, aspergillus fungi, and it is what happening. It is weak our immune system. So weak our immune system. And why it is weakening our immune system? Because it release a toxin कंपाउंड. सो ये क्या कर रहा है, टॉक्सिक कंपाउंड को रिलीज करता है. उस टॉक्सिक कंपाउंड को हम कहते हैं माइकोटॉक्सिन. So this the word myco mean fungi and toxin mean toxic compound. So the toxic compound which is released by the fungi is called as mycotoxin. So these mycotoxin is actually carcinogenic in nature, mean it is causing cancer. So this is cancer causing. So therefore it is very harmful and it is weakening our immune system and make the patient more susceptible to the diseases. So this was all about the today's lecture. I hope that you will understand this lecture. We have discussed about the disadvantage of fungi and the advantages of fungi. We have discussed that the fungi has ecological importance and commercial importance. In ecological importance, fungi act as bioindicators. They act as removing the environmental pollutants. They act as a bioindicator, and they are making our environment pollution free. Next thing is that they have commercial importance. They are very eatable. We use them in the food industry. There are about 200 species of fungi which are used in order to make our food. Next thing is that they are used for the preparation of medicine like antibiotics. So the first antibiotic, which is penicillin, it is was produced by Penicillium notatum fungi. Next thing is that they are very useful in the genetic engineering. Yeast was the first fungi which was used in the genetic research or in the genetic engineering. Then we have discussed about the disadvantages of fungi, that fungi is causing diseases in the plants and in the animals. So in the plant diseases, they are what why they are causing these diseases? Because they have enzymes which are responsible for the breakdown of the glucose and the cutin which is present inside your plant. And whenever the cellulose and your cutin is breakdown, your plant cannot survive that. Then I have written up some diseases which are caused in the plants by the fungi. First is the red root of sugarcane, potato wilt, apple scrab, and the brown root of apricot and plum. Second, it causing diseases in the animals. So the first yeast is responsible for the disease, and this yeast is called as Candidiasis albicans. So why it is causing infection? So it is causing infection in your oral cavity and in your vagina. Next disease is histoplasmosis. So it is the infection inside the lungs. And why it is how it spreads? So actually it is inhale. When you inhale it, you inhale these spores of fungi, and after that they will mix with your bloods and also cause heavy and severe infections inside your lungs. Then after that we have aspergillosis. Aspergillosis is caused by Aspergillus fungi. It is weakening your immune system and producing a toxic chemical which is called as mycotoxin. So the word myco means fungi and toxin mean toxic material. So the toxic material which released by fungi and it is cancer causing. So therefore it is very dangerous for you and for the animals. So I hope you will understand this lecture, and if you have some types of confusion in them in this lecture, so you definitely leave a comment for me, and I will try my best to give answer back to you. So thank you so much for liking this video, And if you like it, then please subscribe to this channel in order to get more these like videos from this channel. So I will try my best to make a more effort in order to make a more easier concept for all of you. So thank you so much. Meet you soon in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.